Hello YouTube, I'm Praveen and welcome back to another informative video here on our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the realm of the Apple Watch, bringing you a plethora of features and tricks that you may not have discovered yet. So, if you have got one of these handy devices on your wrist, sit tight as we are about to share with you 21 astounding Apple Watch tips and features. Let's get started. Firstly, did you know you can access your control center not just from your home screen, but from within any app? To do this, just press and hold, then swipe up from the bottom of your screen. It's that easy. Secondly, I think most of you don't know about this feature. You can actually double press the digital crown to toggle between the recent apps without needing to go to the grid view all the time to open the recent apps. It's a real time saver. Speaking of time, you can actually have your Apple Watch speak the current time to you. Just long press the watch face with your two fingers for 2 seconds. To enable this feature, navigate to Settings, select the clock, and enable Speak Time option. Like the third one, you can also use the tap tick time option in the clock settings to have the time communicated to you through a series of distinct vibrations. Long press on the watch with two fingers for 2 seconds. This is particularly useful during meetings or when discretion is necessary. Now, let's move on to a feature designed with cinema lovers in mind. By activating the cinema mode and slowly turning the digital crown, you can view the time in the lowest light possible without disturbing anyone around you. For those chronically late friends, you might want to secretly set their watch a few minutes ahead. It's easy. Navigate to Settings, select Clock, and use the digital crown to set the time ahead. Interacting with your Apple Watch can even more intuitive with gestures. In the settings, navigate to Accessibility and choose Assistive Touch. By turning on the Assistive Touch and the hand gestures, you can control your watch with simple hand movements. You can pinch to move the cursor forward, double pinch to move backwards, clench to tap, and double clench for the action menu. You can actually customize these actions like you need. Of course, you need practice to get acquainted with these gestures. One of the exciting features of these hand gestures is the ability to take photos and even answer calls. By enabling the quick actions in accessibility settings, you can control your iPhone camera right from your wrist. Just open the camera app on both Apple Watch and iPhone and do a double pinch to snap a photo. If you are an exercise enthusiast, you would appreciate the workout timer feature. You can bypass the 3 seconds countdown by simply tapping the screen. Let's say when you are running and you get a call. The workout time doesn't stop automatically, right? Your Apple Watch can automatically pause your workout whenever you stop moving. To enable this, go to Settings, choose Workout, and toggle on the Auto Pause option. From now on, whenever you stop, the time does stop automatically for you. For the music lovers, did you know that you can download songs from Spotify directly onto your Apple Watch for offline listening? Open the Spotify app on your iPhone, select your preferred playlist, and download it directly to your Apple Watch. You can view them on the Spotify app on your watch and choose Downloads. From now on, you don't need to carry an iPhone to your workout place. Another great feature to take advantage of is the Apple Watch mirroring. This can be found under Accessibility in your iPhone settings. It allows you to view your Apple Watch screen directly on your iPhone, making customizations of watch faces even easier. To wake up Siri, you don't need to say "Hey Siri" or to press the digital crown. Just raise your wrist and ask Siri whatever you need to. She will answer. To enable this, navigate to Settings, select Siri, and activate the Raise to Speak function. I use this feature a lot. Whenever you need to type something on your Apple Watch, you'll get a prompt on your iPhone where you can type seamlessly there without using the tiny keyboard on the watch. Extremely helpful, right? You should try it out now. Have you ever noticed this red dot at the top of the watch face? This is called a notification indicator. You can turn this off by going to Settings, then Notifications, and toggle this off. If you ever need to get notified every 15 minutes or 30 minutes or an hour, you should enable Chimes. To turn this on, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Chimes, and turn on this toggle. You can change the schedule to 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour. When this is on, selected sounds and haptics will play in the selected schedule. Did you know you can take a screenshot on your Apple Watch? To enable this, go to the Settings, then General, and turn on the screenshots. When you enable this, simultaneously press the side button and the digital crown to capture what's on your screen. Check the Photos app on your iPhone to view the taken screenshots. Lost in the dark and can't find your iPhone? With the Find Devices feature, not only can you ping your iPhone, but also turn on its flashlight just with a long press. Did you know that before? Let me know in the comment section. To ensure quicker updates on your Apple Watch, simply disable the Bluetooth on your paid iPhone. This will prompt the watch to use Wi-Fi exclusively for downloading updates. Ensure your hearing health by enabling noise notifications. You can customize the decibel limit to get alerted when the ambient noise is too loud. Sometimes you'll get notified even when you are in the movie. So, change the value accordingly. Lastly, silence incoming calls simply by covering your Apple Watch with your palm. No need to reach your iPhone. And that wraps up our list of 21 outstanding Apple Watch tips and features. I'm confident these tricks will enhance your Apple Watch experience. If you found this video helpful, consider supporting us by using the super thanks button below to buy us a coffee. Remember, we always appreciate your feedback, so feel free to drop a comment below about your favorite Apple Watch features or share any new tips you might have discovered. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and guides. Stay tuned and stay tech savvy.